All right, so what y'all are looking at is the ingredients to the famous Puerto Rican Coquito, but the one that I'll be making today or in this video, it will not include any egg because I don't like the egg in any beverage that I drink. So anyway, moving along, right here we have the ground nutmeg, we have the ground cinnamon, we have the cinnamon sticks, and that's just for garnish. That will go inside of the glass once it's already mixed. We have the sweet condensed milk, the cream of coconut, the Bacardi that we'll be using, or rum, and the vanilla extract. I will put the remainder or the leftover drinks that I don't drink today in this glass right here, and this will be the measuring cup. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make the Puerto Rican coquitos, stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we have the entire 14 ounce of the sweet condensed milk. We're going to pour it in. The entire can. And I believe that was 14 ounce. Let's double check for you. Okay. Yes. 14 ounce. Then, of course, you're going to use the entire can of the cream of coconut. Put in the blender. And again, y'all, this is eggless. This is the eggless coquito, famous Puerto Rican coquito. And the coconut. Okay, there we go. Then we have 1/8 of nutmeg. I'll put that in there. 1/4 of cinnamon. Then you have a whole teaspoon, and that was 1/8 of a teaspoon. This was 1/4 of a teaspoon, and this is 1 whole teaspoon. And this is vanilla extract. Waste a little bit. That should do it. Then of the Bacardi, they want 1.5 cups. So here's the measurement cup. Okay. Make sure you're doing the right thing. There we go. So a little bit more. There we go. 1.5 cups of the Bacardi. Then we're gonna pour that in before we blend. 1.5 cups. Alright guys, put the top on the blender. Put the top on that, seal, and I'm gonna press blend. And there we have it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this ingredient just as much as I did. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe below.